Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Compass Real Estate up here in beautiful Big Bear Lake. Today we are going to dive into smart home upgrades that really pay off when it comes time to sell. Before we jump in, let's make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I have plenty more valuable content coming your way you do not want to miss. Now, before we reveal the top upgrades, stay tuned until the end to find out how you can grab my full list of high return, low cost upgrades. This information is going to save you from costly mistakes that some sellers regret later on. So let's start with a story about a home recently listed that perfectly illustrates the importance of strategic upgrades. This 4-bedroom home had been well maintained by the owner, who even renovated the kitchen and the master bathroom in anticipation of selling. Despite these updates, there were fundamental issues that couldn't be changed. The house had multiple types of floorings and lacked an open layout, which most buyers prefer these days. Additionally, the limited backyard space was a drawback that no amount of interior updates could overcome, which led to challenges in attracting buyers. After months on the market and multiple price reductions, they finally sold the home, but the seller felt like they had just lost a lot of money. So what is the lesson here? Not all upgrades increase home value. It's crucial to focus on improvements that buyers truly value. Here are what you should prioritize. Paint. A fresh coat of paint works wonders, and it is very cost effective. Number 2, cleanliness. Regular cleaning and maintenance make a big difference. Number 3, small fixes. Repair the broken items like doorbells, fences, trim, anything that buyers are going to see when they're immediately walking into the home. Number 4, curb appeal. Trim your trees, power wash, exterior surfaces, and fix any visible issues that they would find. And then number 5, kitchen and bath updates. Avoid major overhauls unless it's absolutely necessary. Simple improvements like painting, cabinets, or regrouting can suffice. Remember, buyers often want to personalize their new home, so providing a clean, well-maintained base is key. While major upgrades like kitchen remodels or adding solar panels might seem appealing, often don't yield a high return on investment in a sale. So to sum it all up, focus on cost-effective upgrades that enhance your home's appeal without breaking the bank. If you are unsure, consult with a professional before making major changes. I'm always here to help. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and insights. Feel free to reach out with any questions or if you need personalized advice. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.